Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, daily chart, you can see bulls are trying to convert the 20-day and the 9-day. You can see it better on the hourly. You can see it's all jammed up here. You got the 9-day coming in, right around, call it 16. You've got a move now as high as 27. So they really are trying to convert this area. We chopped around it for the majority of yesterday. The bears really didn't have any kind of a reasonable attempt to do much of anything. So it wasn't as two-sided and it wasn't as volatile as Monday and Tuesday, but it's still a solid day to trade. I'll be interested to see if we just go ahead and start walking. The first thing that the bulls would have to do is take out yesterday's high at 47.35 half. If they can do that, then really you're talking about 47.50 and just the slow bleed higher. It is up to the bears to do something about it. If they don't do anything about it, then they're going to drip, drip, drip to the upside. You can be long, you can get out of the way. There'll be moments to be short, but don't fight price. Just don't fight price. It's absolutely not worth it at all. So I don't have a whole lot to say today, except we're going to have to watch this entire area that stretches down to 47.10, 47.09. 47.09.83 is a weekly pivot. 47.10.88 is the daily mid-band. And unless the bears get a close below that area, they're at a significant disadvantage heading into Friday. So volume weighted average price, 15 and change. Hourly mid-band, 14 and change. Proprietary moving average is 20.5. Right now the 5-minute mid is 22. And daily pivot's right around 18. So some kind of a test off the open 17 to 20 is pretty reasonable. But if they don't turn that area into resistance, it's just going to be another buy. Has the potential today to be a very slow, grinding move to the upside. All right, we open in about a half an hour, so I'll leave it at that. I will be trading out of the office for the remainder of the week into the long weekend. So plan on that. The next webcast will be on Tuesday. So everybody have a fantastic long weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you then.